What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm actually sitting in front of two properties. Actually, they came together that I just recently sold. And you know, I'm a buy and hold real estate investor, a multifamily real estate investor, so I typically don't sell. But there are a couple reasons and a couple times where it's actually appropriate for you to sell. So the first one is when you've actually had significant appreciation. So these two homes, I bought them about 2 years ago, and they appreciate because I bought right, because I saw the trends, because I saw what was happening, because I saw that line of gentrification. I bought on the other side, the negative side of the line, and the wave came through, and these properties appreciated by $50,000 in 2 years, right? So that's the first reason to sell. $50,000. I was making about $600 per month after principal, interest, taxes, insurance, flood insurance, capex, repair reserves, and vacancy rate. I was making about $600 in positive cash flow from these properties. Now, if it appreciated by $50,000 and I could take that $50,000 now, I decided to do that because 600 times 12 months was what, 720. So it would have taken about 7 years for me to make up that $50,000 in rent, right? So I say, you know what? Give me that $50,000 now using a 1031 exchange. 1031 exchange means that I did not get taxed on that $50,000, and I was able to take that $50,000 and employ it into a like asset. So that's the first reason. You've had significant appreciation. You can take what you were going to make in rents monthly, you can take that money now, 7 years of rents now, and actually deploy it elsewhere, right? So that's the first reason. The second reason is you're trying to you found a higher yielding asset and you're trying to upgrade your portfolio. So when I first started out, this was my fourth purchase, right? So when I first started out, an 8 to 10% cash on cash return was great for me. But as my eyes have gotten trained, as I've trained my eyes and they've gotten sharper and sharper and sharper, I'm able to identify deals that are going to yield 12-15% cash on cash return. Meaning that with the rule of 72, an 8% cash on cash return means that you are doubling your money. You take 72 divided by 8. That means you're doubling your money every 9 years. But when you have a 12% cash on cash return, that means that you're doubling your money every 6 years. So I'm able to identify deals that I was not able to identify 2-3 years ago, and so I'm able to see and find higher yielding assets. So I basically took this 50,000 plus the equity that I had in it, the 25% down payment, and I'm now deploying that into a higher yielding asset. So I'm upgrading these two properties into a fiveplex in a better neighborhood right off of Canal Street, which is the main street in New Orleans. And I'm excited about that particular property. So I've upgraded my portfolio. That property is going to have like a 15% cash on cash return. So these are the two main reasons why you would sell, even if you're a buy and hold investor. One, you've had significant appreciation, and two, you found a higher yielding asset where that money is actually going to work harder for you as a result of moving it over. So just wanted to share this with you. I am offloading all of the doubles in my portfolio because I want to upgrade them to fourplexes or higher. And so this is the process that I'm going through right now. I got about 3 more left, and I've already found other deals that I'm going to be able to deploy that money towards. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals. I got a webinar coming up that I know that you will love if you want to learn how to get in this game. All right. Much love, y'all. Peace.